Hello, my desktop publishing students. This is your last part of File Management Project 1. And so it asks you to go to your classes drive. All right, so I'm going to go to my classes drive, go to desktop publishing or PC, whichever classes drive you're working out of. And there should be a folder there called FM, just a folder called FM. So just click once, okay, and go Control-C to copy. And now put it into, go to your U drive and go to your file management folder. Okay, go to your file management folder and you'll see work 1 there. Right click and paste, and now you should have your FM folder, and it should jump to the top because it starts with an F. Alright, so now it says go to the FM folder, so go there, and it says add a folder called Case 3. Okay, so right click, New Folder, and put in Case 3. Alright, press enter, and now add another folder. Okay, add another folder called Review 2. Okay, so New Folder, and type in there Review 2. Alright, and press enter. So now it says create a Word file and type the sentence, enjoy the day. Alright, so go to Word and go Control and the letter N for new and type in enjoy the day. Alright, and we didn't ask you to do anything with it. Save it as, so go File, Save As, and save it as your, so go to, in the Case 3 folder. Alright, so go to Browse, and just make sure you're in the right place. So you want to go to your U drive, okay, and go to File Management and go to the FM folder, and then we want to be in the Case 3 folder. Alright, so I'm going to double click on Case 3, check your address bar. Does it say File Management, FM, Case 3? And it should. Alright, and that's where we want to save it, and we said save it as GLAD, I believe. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to type in my name, my current date for myself, and GLAD. Alright, and press enter. And so that's saved. And so now it said go to Excel. Okay, go to Excel. Alright, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to View here and go to Zoom, and I'm going to put in 150. Alright, so I'm going to do that, and it says now create an Excel file that lists the months of the year. Alright, we can start with January and spell it right, January. Press enter, and then of course you know to grab your fill handle and drag down until it reads December and widen your column. So now you've got the months of the year. It said go File, Save As, and now we want to go to Browse and we want to save it in the Case 3 folder. So go to your U drive. Well, okay, so there's my U drive, and I want to go to File Management, FM, and I want to go to Case 3. Check your address bar, make sure you are in Case 3, and I asked you again to put your name in and the current date for you, and it's called Date Annual. Okay, Date Annual, and save it. Alright, so I don't think that we need Excel or Word anymore, so I'm going to say to you, you've saved it, close out of Excel, and then the same thing, close out of Word. We've saved it, and now we're back into our File Explorer, and if it's not on your screen, then click on the yellow folder to make sure it is. So now it says from the Case 1 folder. Alright, go to Case 1 and make sure the address bar reads Case 1. Copy the spring, fall, and winter, summer and winter classes. So there's spring. Hold down your Shift key and click on winter. So I've got 3 things there. Fall, spring, summer, winter. Where's my fall? And now use your control key and click on fall. So there we've got the 4 classes. All right, go control C. And it says copy them to your case 3 folder. So go back to FM, go to case 3, and right click and paste, and you should have all the classes. All right, now go to the case 2 folder. So go to the case 2 folder and copy reports 1 to 4. Okay, well, they're all in a row there, so all I have to do is hold down my shift key, click on report 1, hold down your shift key, and click on report 4. Go control C, and now it says go to your case 3 folder, so go to FM, go to case 3, check your address bar, are you in case 3, right click and paste. Alright, so now it says from the case 2 folder, alright, go to FM, go to the case 2 folder, and it said copy tips 1 and tips 2. Okay, tips 1 and tips 2. Go control C, and it said go to the review 2 folder. So go to FM, go to review 2, check, and make sure you got it review 2, and paste. Now it says go to the review folder. So go back to FM, go to your review folder, and it says copy all the pictures. All right, so now take a look. You can see that you have banner, it's a PNG file, Coliseum, JPEG file, Rome is a JPEG file. All the rest, the blue ones are Word, the green ones are Excel. So copy the 3 pictures. So click on your first one, hold down your control key, click on Coliseum, and click on Rome. So now all 3 pictures should be selected. Go control C, and we are supposed to copy them to review 2. So go to FM, go to review 2, and right click and paste, and there's your 3 pictures. Now go to FM and go to your tutorial folder, and there should be pictures there. Again, you can see them, 2 JPEGs and a PNG and a JPEG. So click on the first one, hold down your control key, and click on Florence and logo and mark it. All right, go control C and copy them to review 2. So go to FM, go to review 2, and right click and paste. All right, so now we've got all the pictures. Now it says in case 3 folder. All right, so go back to FM, go to case 3. It says put them in alphabetical order. All right, well, you know when you click on the word name, it's Z to A to Z, Z to A to Z. So that's pretty easy for you to do. That isn't a problem. And make sure you leave it on A to Z, and you should see fall classes at the top. In your case 3 folder, copy and paste the last file. Okay, the last one here is winter classes. All right, so go control C, and now right click and paste it. Okay, because it didn't tell me to change. And you see it came in with a copy. All right, so rename this copied file. So right click, rename this copied file, and call it ABC Projects. ABC Projects. And press enter. All right, good work. And did you see that it jumped right to the top because I put an A at the beginning of it? All right, so now in the case 3 folder it says sort by size. So click on size. So you see the largest to the smallest to the largest, largest to the smallest, smallest to the largest. All right, and it says name the largest file. Well, the largest file is report number 2, 76 kilobytes, and the smallest file is now I've got a date. Oh yeah, that's the date annual, and it's 9 kilobytes. All right, now in the case 2 folder, okay, so go back, go to your case 2 folder, and it says search for all the files that have the letters TI in them. All right, so you're going to go to your search box and you're going to type TI. And I've had in mine, you maybe didn't have this, but that's okay. But you at least have 2. You have the tips TI and the tips 2. All right, that just happened to be in mine, and that's fine. All right, now, then it also asks us now to go to the FM folder. All right, so go back and go to your FM folder, and you're in your FM folder, and search all the files that have the extension XLSX. All right, so click in here, and now you want to put in star, because you don't know what they start with, but period XLSX, so that you find all the Excel files. So you didn't know the name, but every Excel file is listed here that was in the FM folder. And that's it. That's all you had to do here, and you've now finished your file management. So we'll stop there.